Hello stalkers, welcome back. This is the weekly chart of DFM market index, that is Dubai Financial Market. We are seeing a strong rally after the breakout of this bullish chart pattern right from 4,000 points, and from here market has been printing green candles continuously. In fact, we are seeing 6 green candles back to back. On the weekly chart, DFM market index is very bullish, it's very positive. Next area of resistance now stands at 4,360. Let's go down to daily and see how the chart is looking. And here we can see a very nice positive bullish price action. Check this out. Right after the breakout, we can see market went zigzag over here. And this is our breakout zone where I had mentioned market can break to the upside. It went up, spent a week here, and then we saw a continuation momentum. On the way up, it broke 4,140 points, that was resistance. It went up and then it broke the resistance of 4,200 points as well. That was strong resistance. On the way up, we saw it took a pause with this red candle, and from here we are seeing continuation. Next area of resistance was 3,240. Market went up, it came back for a retest. Check this out. Previously this zone was resistance, that is 4,200. Exactly at the same zone market took a bounce and then went up. It means this zone is taken out. This is now acting as a support. It's no more resistance. And then it broke this area, that is 4,240. Last closing is 4,280. That is very positive. And from here, if you remember earlier, this was the head and shoulder pattern that got activated after breaking the neckline. And from here we saw a strong decline to the downside because of this bearish chart pattern. Market is now above the zone. We are in bull trend. Next area of resistance is 4,360 on the daily chart as well. Yes, on the way up, when market will climb, it may come down for a retest because we are seeing a strong rally without any correction. Yes, there were some pauses which are healthy for the market, but still we did not see any correction or retracement. So I would not be surprised if at all it moves up, then comes down for a correction, spends some days, and then it continues its rally to the upside. Overall, DFM market is now bullish. This is the weekly chart of ADX market index, that is Abu Dhabi Securities Exchange. Look at the price action. Right from 8,700 onwards it's been printing green candles. So we can easily say for more than 2 months market is in positive note. We can see a pause candle on weekly chart at 8,975. That was resistance. It was beautifully taken out. Before breaking the next area of resistance, it took a pause and then it continued its rally. Now strong resistance on the weekly chart is between 9,350 to 9,400 points. Overall on weekly chart, no signs of weakness. There are good chances it may continue its upside momentum. Let's go down to daily and see how the chart is looking. And here we can see market has taken a pause at 9,245 points before continuing its upside momentum. Hit the like button if you're following my analysis regularly and learning from it. This was the red candle where I had mentioned there are chances it may take a pause and then we will see a continuation. Similarly here also we can see this was an accumulation phase. This is a nice positive build-up right into the resistance zone. I had mentioned after this accumulation phase there are very good chances we may see a big momentum on the either side. Obviously I was bullish, so I was expecting a continuation or a follow through, and exactly this is what we are seeing. With last candle printed, there are very good chances market may try and hit 9,350 points. That is strong area of resistance. Remember previously this was the swing that we had discussed earlier. From here it started to make lower lows and lower highs. So obviously this is a downtrend and now market is in bull trend. That's the reason I keep mentioning there are very good opportunities in both the markets, that is DFM and ADX. Pick up your stocks correctly, so in case if you had prior losses, at least you can cover up or start taking new entries so that you can make good profits in bull run. Overall, ADX market is now positive and bullish. It's about 200-day moving average. One of the stock that I'm looking forward for coming week is Q Holding. It's looking positive. Yes, for now it's in a strong downtrend, but let me go up to the weekly chart and show you the chart pattern. This is called a descending triangle chart pattern. As we can clearly see, highs are shifting lower, but at the same time support is intact. We are not seeing Q Holding going for a deeper correction or breaking this support area. Last to last week we saw a breakout. Let me zoom the chart. Here we can see 3 green candles, which means it was up for 3 weeks, and the last candle, that is weekly candle, is showing correction of this upside momentum. Support is intact, that is at 2.92. This is a perfect scenario for Q holding to start its bull run. Reason is we saw upside momentum. This is considered to be a breakout, and now we just want to see a follow through. If at all we see a breakout of 3.03 to 3.05, there are very good chances it may continue its upside momentum. Target will be bigger, as we are seeing after this strong momentum till about 4.00, it started its correction, which was obviously deeper. Many of us got trapped into this zone, but still Q holding is positive. It's a strong stock. Fundamentally it's strong. Now Q holding has got a perfect scenario or a perfect chance. If at all it can print a green candle on weekly chart, that will be coming week obviously, then we can expect a follow through, a continuation will be seen in Q holding that will reverse the trend, that is from downtrend to the uptrend, and at the same time this bullish chart pattern will be activated. Hit the like button if you understood this. For more updates, subscribe the channel. For my recommendations with entries and exit, you may join my YouTube membership. Link is in the description, or you can scan the QR code. Thanks for watching. Keep stalking.